have a delivery. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another unboxing. We've got quite a few things to unbox, so let's get started. So in box number one, we have the Tropica System 60 CO2 system. Up next we have the Old Pond Solutions 100 watt aquarium heater. Now I can take a pretty good guess as to what's in this box. In here we have the Old Pond Solutions adjustable LED light. Now time for the last of the small boxes, and you'll be noticing a little bit of a theme here, because in this box I have a hang on the back filter, and again it's from Old Pond Solutions. Now last but not least we have this big box on the floor. I'll have to open it off camera because it's pretty heavy. So in the last box we have my brand new 90 litre fish tank. That is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. And there we have it, my new tank setup. In the next video I'm going to go over everything in more detail and show you guys how to set everything up. If that's something you're interested in, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and join me on the next one.